Before the introduction of the queue system, we had a personal delivery system. We could not expand this because of space and safety requirements. So we had 1,540 lockers for 2,600 employees, which actually needed a locker. Employee numbers continued to rise, and it was no longer possible to equip all those entitled to personal clothing when they started work at the hospital. It was clear that the system of personal delivery had to be replaced by an impersonal one. We looked at different solutions, and the queue system from SEG Pulse convinced with its simplicity and speed. It is possible to take several garments with you, and in other systems you have to get one garment after the other, which takes much more time. The same applies to the return of used clothes. These are thrown into the queue soils and will be credited to the carrier immediately. We can track exactly where the garment is and who the last wearers were. The program is very user-friendly, clear, and also allows different evaluations. Another important point is that the system will be monitored by ACG support for 24 hours and 7 days. And they will be able to respond quickly in the event of a potential outage. The queue system from ACG Pulse has been in operating since August 2016. The start was straightforward and the system was very stable from the beginning. The circulating volumes have been reduced by almost half, and yet there are enough clothes available to employees. The uniforms are assigned to the persons according to the working group, but we have refrained from allocating sizes. So users can switch to a different size if theirs is not available. Also, filling up the clothes has become much easier. We get the clothes sorted by article and size from the laundry and only need to fill up the racks.